my leg, Shant. Atta go. Wait. Touch it. My lips are locked. Krishan! What, Kritik? I want to tell you something. Something. Kritik wants to tell something. Oh yeah. Don't pull my leg, Krishan. Okay, tell me what you want. But you must promise no jokes, no blabbing, and no accidents. Okay, I cracked my heart. This is the biggest secret of my life. Biggest secret. Hey Kritik, you are a superhero. I knew it. You are a dungeon boy. No. Then, did you like our daddy bite? Or did you use our mama cutter? Start guessing. Fine. Tell me. My lips are locked. You have to promise not to spill the beans, okay? Spill the beans! Wait! Did Mama cook beans again? No. Spill the beans means don't tell anyone. Keep the secret safe. Whoa! So the beans are like the secret soup.
6, 7!
Let's call it soup, but don't spill it. Got it! Sipping my lips. Okay, here it is. I am entering my school talent show. Touch it! That's the top secret nuclear code. No one knows yet. I am going to do a dance routine.
Boys say wow, girls in the back say wow. Into the party, call me Candy, 'cause it's high.
Thank you. You, Mr. To love to be.
Emotional damage.
Nobody silent. You just dance a monkey dance. I've been practicing for weeks. I want it to be a surprise. I get it. Don't spill the bean. Because if you do, everyone will know. You are planning to pickle like a banana at the go. Why do I even tell you? Because I am your bro. And I spill the beans. Except on